Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you a nice trading strategy where you just use trend lines. My name is Yuri from Gold Sniper Signals, and today we're going to break down exactly the strategy how to trade with trend lines. Okay guys, I will demonstrate you this strategy with the Canadian dollar against Japanese yen. Therefore, we always choose before we trade the 30 minutes time frame. And now we look at the chart. As we can see, the overall trend for Canadian dollar against Japanese yen is an uptrend. But in the trend line strategy, it doesn't really matter. We are just looking like where we can draw a beautiful trend line. And if you want to draw a trend line, you need at least 3 touching points, like for example here. Here it's slowly an uptrend, and we just draw here a trend line. And as you can see here, this chart broke already through the trend line, and that's a sign for us to enter a trade. And this is the strategy how it actually works. We always enter a trade when the trend gets broken. We don't go with the trade. As you can see, you can actually also enter the trade when we hit this trend line and go for a buy trade, but we always trade against the trade. So I have prepared here some live examples, as you can see, and let's play them out. So you have to be patient. Okay. Look, the price is now moving up and down. And yeah, as you can see, it's following a trend. And here you can see a lower uptrend. And what I'm basically looking is when this currency crosses this trend line to the downside, I will go for a short trade. And boom, it smashed my take profit. So what happened here? Here I draw a trend line. As you can see, we have here many touch points, and you need at least 3 touch points to draw this trend line. As soon this trend line gets broken, I enter a sell trade. I place a stop loss around about 15 pips above the entry and go for the last swing low as a profit target. You don't have to target always the last swing low. You can just also go for a 2R. So you risk 15 pips and then you go for 30 pips. This is the safest way to do it, or you go for the next swing low or next swing high. This was our first trade. This banked me around about 4%. Let's continue. And now we are slightly going in the uptrend, and then I was looking for a buy trade. So this time the trade did not play out, but that's okay. This time I lost 1%. Because as you can see, my stop loss was here too tight, and you can see here that we broke this trend to the upside, and that was the indication for me to go long, but this time it did not play out because it was a bit too volatile. That's okay. Let's wait for the next one. Now it's following in this uptrend. It stays above the trend line, and let's see what happens. And here I was going for a sell trade, but actually I wanted to target a little bit lower and wait a little bit. As you can see, I got immediately stopped out, because this was originally it was this profit target here downstairs, but it did not hit. I lost this one again, but we are still 2% up. So the next trade was like this. So we cross the trend line again, and then we push it very strong to the downside, and it got already smashed. And here you can see, even when we cross above and cross downs again, it means that the trend is still valid and we are breaking the structure and moving to the downside. So I enter again and use here a very tight stop loss with 11% and target around about the last swing low. And this is how I place this trade, and it banked me 3% on my account. And so doesn't matter if you lost before, because we win back now. And now we continue. And now we had a clean break to the upside. We broke our trend line. That was the indication for me to enter a buy trade. Then I placed a stop loss around about 16 pips and then go for a minimum of 2 RR trade. I target the last swing high as a take profit target, and this one smashed my take profit. And this is basically the strategy, how it works. As you can see, it doesn't play out always. You often get faked out or your stop loss get hit, but your winners are higher than your losers. That's why this strategy works pretty well. And you just use around about 10 to 15 pip stop loss and go for a minimum from 2 RR trade, or you target the last swing low or the last swing high. And as you can see, you don't have to win always, as long the winners are bigger than the losing trades. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like and enjoy it, and if so, hit that likes button, subscribe to my channel, check out my video links under the description. If you're interested in forex signals, etc., then please follow this channel. Therefore, we see us in the next video. Peace, guys. Out. Euer Juri.